Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Hafsa Jamshaid from the National Textile University, Faisalabad. As a person from academia, I strongly believe that knowledge is infinite. It's not like a capital that can be used up. Rather, it can be increases if we share it with other persons. And it is one of the important things that need to be for the any type of knowledge economy. Knowledge leads to wisdom. To build a knowledge-based economy, especially in a countries like Pakistan, we must need a culture of sharing knowledge through libraries by bridging the gap between the readers and the libraries through academia. We must encourage the people to read more materials and additional information to create and enhance new knowledge bases. And it can be only possible through the self-motivation and self-learning by changing our attitude and acknowledging developing libraries. It is an integral part to promote research culture in education systems, which is only possible to upgrade and enlighten over the importance of libraries. I strongly believe that knowledge is not an information, it's rather transformation. It's a closed loop cycle, like innovator, writer, reader, and innovator. So, to know more about and share your knowledge about the knowledge economy, I just recommend you to join the international conference that is Transformation of Knowledge Repository into Knowledge Economy under the banner of PLWO. Thank you.